Unexplainable sounds, flashes in the night, booms, trumpets, the metallic screech of metal on metal. The extremes of these strange noises has consistently grown over the years. Some claim that the spiritual veil is being disturbed, that science has attempted to open doorways into alternate realities. What is causing the ever-increasing frequency of these experiences? Our world has many unseen spiritual facets that affect and protect human beings, possibly even from themselves.
So I wake up to these sounds in the middle of the night. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning right now. This is in Everett, Washington. And there's nothing over there. I've driven over there looking to find something, and there's nothing over there. In fact, there's a wetlands, and then on the other side of it there's actually more wetlands. There's really nothing out there. This is the area between Snohomish and Everett, Washington.
Just have a listen to this. So what are you hearing? Well, we don't really know. The strange sounds were heard across Terrace, BC early yesterday morning and lasted for about 10 minutes. Speculation about what caused it ranges from the aurora borealis to aliens, or it could just be a prank. But similar sounds have been recorded in other parts of BC and reported in other locations around the world.
Dude. Did you guys hear that? It's weird. I've never heard anything like that before. Where's it coming from? Oh, that was a big one.
Was ist das?
Ich habe keine Ahnung, der Junge da unten guckt auch. Ich weiß es nicht. Was ist da was? מאיפה זה מגיע? תקשיב.
wait for it. Whoa.
Loud boom heard across the area. Many of you have been reaching out to us on our phone lines here and on social media, reporting hearing and feeling the noise from southern Virginia Beach, Chesapeake, Portsmouth, even Suffolk and Norfolk.
Now, this happened at around 6:30 this evening. After we finished up our 6 o'clock newscast, we reached out to the Navy to figure out if it was a sonic boom from a jet. Both NAS Oceana and the Navy Auxiliary Landing Field Fentress are both in the areas where a lot of callers reported hearing that noise. There have been no major injuries reported at this point.
That's right. We have a crew headed to the Sandbridge area. From the Sandbridge area, we're hearing reports of EMS heading into that direction and the possibility of a fire in that area. But that's all unconfirmed at this point. The U.S. Geological Survey shows no earthquakes were recorded, and Dominion Energy's power outage map also shows no major outages.
A loud noise that will not let up is plaguing a part of Pennsylvania. No one seems to know the source of the mysterious booms. Top investigators are now helping to unravel the mystery in Springfield Township, Haycock Township, Milford Township, and Quakertown. That's where Eyewitness News reporter Alexandria Hoff is tonight. Alex?
Yuki, this is a wild story that just seems to keep on getting stranger. Now, between calls to police and posts on social media, hundreds of people say that they have heard and been shaken by this explosion-like sound that rocked them out of their beds in the middle of the night. And without a clue of what is going on, local police have gone to state, and state police have now gone to federal investigators. Here in Upper Bucks County, something has been going bump in the night.
I thought maybe somebody was making a tunnel or space junk fell out of the sky.
From poachers, gunfire to explosions to sonic booms.
There has been no shortage of theories, but still no answer as to why so many residents have been jolted by a mysterious and near deafening boom sound.
It's a rumble. It actually rumbles the ground like an earthquake would happen, but with a loud bah.
I've been in the military. I've got experience with explosives. I was a Navy diver, and that was definitely not a gunshot.
Local police municipalities have been receiving reports of the booms since early April. A majority of the reported sounds have taken place between the hours of 2 a.m. and 4:30. Eyewitness News has confirmed that along with the Pennsylvania State Police, the FBI is now on the case as well. Authorities are asking that if you notice anything odd, do not investigate for yourself. Call police immediately and be sure to take mental.
Да откуда запустили-то?
The grinding of metal, the booms, are these sounds paranormal in nature, or perhaps created, a byproduct of scientific exploration, the self-indulgent, all-consuming quest for knowledge, exploration, and need for bloodthirsty conquest leads man in ending search of now entities within alternate dimensions or realms to dominate. There is good reason that our reality, our planet, seems to be maintained, balanced, and precise. Once man is capable in creating these doorways to alternates, do we really have the faith that they'd ask before opening them?